Hey everyone, welcome to How Ines Rolls. I am on my way out the door to Dollar Tree to see what I can get for an upcoming vacation. So let's go. I'm pretty much buying a whole bunch of junk. Loving the craft sections. I'm hoping that I think I have everything I need to take on the little vacation with our friends. But, you know, if you need some good twine, the Dollar Tree, some craft sticks, yep, it's here. Inexpensive, like little crafty things your kids could do. And like these little ones already have like the paint with it. It's kind of fun. Look what I found. Gonna get a couple. So I just found some brownie mix. And I'm gonna show you a super easy dessert that you could do with this. Oh, and a couple other ingredients. They have a good assortment here of candy. All right, you guys, we just came back and I bought a ton of junk, just like a ton of candy. So I'm just gonna show you the things that aren't candy, and then I'm gonna show you what I'm doing with the junk. So that way you get an understanding of why I bought so much. But you can see I did end up getting 3 of these. Now these ones are my favorite. These are my favorite flavored ones. They are just so good. I love having them, like maybe one a day or something like that. So I'll put them in the back refrigerator so they get nice and cold. And $1, you guys. So that is such a bargain. Okay, so all of that is the candies and the treats. So let me just show you quickly what I got. I got a stencil because I'm going to use these dabbers and this black chalk paint to put a message on a bag, and you'll see that happening pretty quick here. I'm also a fan of the Dollar Tree eyeshadows. I just like to try different colors. Sometimes in the creases, I might do some more of these fun ones. I might not use the purple at all though, but look at this like shiny coppery one. I think that looked super cute. So, hey, and if I don't like it, it was just $1. Okay, another thing that I'm a fan of are these 5-minute whitening trays. You just put a little bit of this, there's like a gel in here, and then you put it in for 5 minutes. I've been using them off and on for about a year or so, a couple years. Maybe a year, and I like them when I use them. So I just need to remember to use them. I got a couple more. Boom, good. Oh, I picked up another one of these pens. These are a chalk writer pen for our vacation. So when the kids are making some fun things, they can use that to write. And I picked up some of this tape. I love the Scotch tape. I also needed to pick up some more of these cubes. I am using these cubes for my outschool preschool class, so that we'll be counting and making groups of 10, and I just didn't have enough. And be talking about school, I picked up a couple of these pencil holders for Jonas's things and some other things that we have that need them. So I hope to find some more of these that I can stack, because I have one of those like rolling bins, or so to say. They're from IKEA, and I have all the homeschooling stuff on there. Okay, so I did show you in the store that I had bought these, and then I had remembered a really good treat to make, because I found these as well. So I already had some pre-made chocolate chip cookie dough in the tube. So that's the 3 ingredients that you're gonna need, I mean, aside from making this dough or this mix. So you're just gonna need egg and oil, it looks like. So let me put them together, this together, and I'll show you how to put it together to make a peanut butter brookie. All right, so first off, I already have all of my things out and ready. I mean, aside from opening up the peanut butter cups. So I'm just going to spray each well. And I'm just gonna, you probably don't need it because of the cookie dough doesn't need it because it's already got all of those oils in it. But because we're adding chocolate, peanut butter cups, and the brownie, it's definitely gonna need it for sure on the sides. So that's why we're just spraying it anyways. Okay, so you're making 12 of them, so you're just trying to equally cut these cookie dough chunks into the bottom of the wells. and press it in there. I'll bring you closer. I've pressed all of the chocolate chip cookie dough in, and now I'm just gonna take, oh yes, these peanut butter cups and press them into the center. Just a little press. These are gonna be darn good, you guys. Oh, I can't wait to try one. Now this could be very much a very easy recipe for your kids to do. Get them in the kitchen feeling comfortable. This would be one of those recipes to do that for sure. Or if you're going somewhere, you need to take some dessert. How easy is this? Now this is gonna cook for 18 to 20 minutes, so I'm gonna check them around 15 minutes. I don't want them to burn. So we're going to just go ahead now and cover these equally with the brownie mix. Oh. So I'm just gonna probably put about a tablespoon on each one. And then if I have leftovers, I'm just gonna go over any of the ones that I think need it. All right, so I gave it a little bit of a tap on the counter, 18 to 20 minutes, and let's see what they look like. So while those are cooking, let's do some stenciling. Okay, these turned out super cute, and this chalk writer is awesome. So I highly recommend it. It writes like chalk, but it's like glossy a little, so, and it doesn't smudge, I don't think. Well, hopefully not, we'll see. But so there's gonna be the little bags. Now we're gonna fill them. So the first thing I'm gonna put in their little bags is this fun little bingo game that they could do, or whatever, color on the back, who cares? But these are gonna be little snack and treat bags for the ride up and while we're there on vacation. So I'm just gonna quickly put those together, and then we'll pull out the brookies, because they're right now in this refrigerator cooling down. I read some of the reviews on this recipe, and it suggested doing that. So something to kind of keep in mind. So let's put these together and try a brookie. So much fun for me to just get these little treat bags ready for the kids in our friend group. So it's called Camp Fram. Is that funny? We're taking like crafts, and I have shirts, and it'll be fun, like a family reunion of sorts. And so the things that were left over, and plus a couple of bagged candies like these jelly beans and runts, like I know the boys will eat those. And so now this is our stash for when we are on vacation. So you guys, I think we're set for the treats and the candy. So now let me get those peanut butter brookies out, and let's give it a taste. Okay, who's ready for some brookies? So I took one out. You could see the peanut butter in there and the chocolate gooiness. That is so good. Oh, that's really good. Let me tell you a little bit about it though. The reviews weren't wrong. It's a little hard to get them out. So put them in the fridge. Let them come to a complete cool. Like you could even probably put them in the freezer if you wanted to, but the refrigerator to a complete cool. And then you're going to score your knife around the edge. Use a spoon and it should pop up. Now remember, I also greased it. But this is the one I scored out, and this is the one I messed up. Don't worry, it's all gonna be good. You guys, I'm so glad that you went with me to the Dollar Tree. It was so fun to go shopping with you today, and I was able to complete my little project for our vacation and show you how to make a yummy, yummy dessert. So I feel like it was a good day and much accomplished. So have a wonderful day, rollers. Let me know in the comments if this is a recipe that you will try. So stick around, rollers. You just never know what I'll be rolling out next. Bye, everyone.